shift focus now to the politics part of COVID that has now become a full-blown controversy and looks like there could be a scam somewhere here as well. This is news coming in from the state of Punjab, where the state government decided to sell vaccines to the private hospitals for the age group of 18 to 44. They were selling the vaccines to the private hospitals. Now, the state government claims it was a one-time measure, one-time move to get the vaccination started in the private hospitals to make it more widespread across the state. And so we only for one time gave 40,000 doses to about 25 different private hospitals. But here is the big charge from Shiromani Akali Dal. They're the ones who came out and made the charge of profiteering. The state government was making money, profiteering from selling these vaccines to private hospitals. That in fact the state governments got this at the price of about 400 rupees per dose from the vaccine makers and sold it above 1,000 rupees per dose, 1,060 rupees per dose to the private hospitals, who in turn went ahead and vaccinated people at whatever cost they wanted to decide, 1,250, 1,400, 1,500, whatever they felt like. So the private hospitals, if this is true, the private hospitals benefited because they got it at a lower price than what they would have had to pay Bharat Biotech for the same Covaxin. And so they made money. The government seems to have made money by giving these vaccines that they would have otherwise administered to their people for free, by giving it to hospitals at a higher rate. Now, this is the allegation by Shiromani Akali Dal. The central government has responded by saying, we've asked for a report to know how can a state government sell vaccine doses to the private hospital. The Punjab government has withdrawn this order. They have now taken the order back. I don't know what that means, considering you've already given the vaccines and it was a one-time measure. They have also told the private hospitals to give the vaccines back. They said, whatever is left with you, give it back to us. And when you directly source from the vaccine makers, give the rest also back. So if we've given you 100, you used up 50, give the rest of the 50 back to us now. Then you go and buy the vaccines from the vaccine makers and give the rest of the 50 to us as well. None of it makes sense. And they're very smartly been silent on what was the price that they sold it at to the private hospitals. What's going on? Was the Punjab government minting money off vaccines at a time when state government after state government is claiming to give this free to the people? At a time when there is a shortage of vaccines, we are now causing more and more confusion of back and forth. Refund de denge, vaccines wapas karo. Ye kya chal raha hai? Let's say good evening to the panelists who are joining us on this conversation right now. Manjinder Singh Sirsa, spokesperson for the Shiromani Akali Dal, RP Singh of the BJP and Adil Singh Boparai of the Congress party joins me. Adil, I want to know this first. At what price was it given to the private hospitals?
Well, Tanvi, since it's a 2 versus 1 debate, I'll request for some extra time. Number one, this is a dead issue. You're flogging a dead horse. The order was barely in force for a few hours. The order has been revoked. The private hospitals have been directed to return the vaccines, and the hospitals have been directed to refund the money to the patient. So it's a closed chapter, number one. Number two, what is important when we're discussing this is the immunization policy in totality. The Supreme Court has called this vaccination policy to be utterly flawed, to be arbitrary, to be irrational. And why is this problem arising? Let's go to the nub of the matter. The nub of the matter is differential pricing, which even the Supreme Court has objected to.
No, Adil, the nub of the matter is the Congress party can't give up and mend its ways and will find ways to get corrupt and do corruption.
No. This is a very, very unfair allegation.
So tell me, yes or no, at what price did you sell it to the private hospitals?
Well, Tanvi, if you want to become the judge, that's your prerogative.
No, I'm asking a question. I am not judging this until you give me the answer.
Tanvi, give me time to respond. How is this a scam? The private hospital... Please let me speak, Tanvi. Please don't be impatient today. If the state governments give the vaccines to the private hospitals will return the money to the state exchequer. That money is not coming into Adil Singh Boparai's account or Sirsa Saab's account or RP Singh's account. It is taxpayers' money. But notwithstanding this, we have rescinded the order. The order was barely in force for a few hours. I don't understand the hue and cry.
But it was not a few hours. Is it not true, Mr. Sirsa? This was the order dated 29th of May and today is 4th of June.
There were no
40,000 vaccine doses have been given. 40,000.
No supply.
No, but it wasn't a matter of few hours, no, Adil? It was still a matter of many, many days.
No, please understand. When did the
My
vaccines
name is
come to
Sirsa.
speak
Please
up?
let me respond to it. Adil ji, it's my name. Sirsa is my name. Please let me respond to it. Please let me know. Let me respond.
Yes, Mr. Sirsa, go ahead.
So, Tanvi, first of all, I'm shocked and surprised. How can one government purchase a vaccine at the price of 400 rupees, sell that same vaccine to the private player for 1,060 rupees, and at the same time says that government of India should give vaccines for free? So once you say that government of India, first of all, must staunch for say all of this, that yes, the vaccine should be given free to the state governments or to the state governments also. But then what right do state governments have to buy that vaccine for 400 rupees and make a profit of 660 rupees and sell it to the private player? Now, you know what these private players are doing? You know what these hospitals are doing? They are selling it for 1,600 rupees officially and charging another 1,000 rupees from the patient कि हमारे पास तो slot ही नहीं है जी. And see, in Punjab, सबसे ज़्यादा death हुई है due to the COVID. The poor people are not able to get the hospital nor the oxygen, and now they are not even getting the vaccines. Those vaccines are sold to the private players. And Adil Singh says कि इसमें तो कुछ गलत हुआ ही नहीं, it's a dead dog. Secondly, the most important thing, the state government, the state president, the state chief minister is in Delhi. He's least concerned about the people of Punjab. People of Punjab are dying. They're fighting with the COVID, and chief minister has nothing to do with it. He said Janpat, sitting at 10 Janpat, saying कि मेरी कुर्सी बचा दो जी. And another leader is saying कि मुझे ये कुर्सी दे दो. There's infighting going between the party, and there's nobody who damn cares about the Punjab. And we need to understand, it is not just about the Punjab. I must say that here, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi is also responsible. She should have at least taken a stand and said, Captain Amrinder Singh, go back. You leaders, go back. The health minister should go back. Why are you sitting in Delhi? The people are dying in Punjab. Aren't you caring about your people of Punjab? And you know what the state health minister said today in the press conference, you heard him? He said, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है जी.
Yeah.
Order दिया ही नहीं है.
He said vaccines don't come under me. I mean, of course, if you're busy doing politics, preparing for state elections, maybe you don't know that vaccines don't come under you. Adil, be patient, be patient. Let me get a comment in from Mr. RP Singh, since you will have to respond to both of them.
I must get more time.
I will give you more time to respond to both of them. But Mr. RP Singh must make his opening comments as well. Mr. Singh, this is a new system. And the Congress will blame you for this also. You made this complicated system ki center alag se le, private hospitals alag se le, state alag se le, and now look what's happening in Punjab.
Tanvi, who was asking for it? Give us liberalization, liberate us to buy vaccine on our own. We never did. The state chief ministers were saying so. Mr. Uddhav Thackeray is on record. Mr. Kerala chief minister is on record. The Odisha chief minister is on record. So they are on record saying that even Delhi chief minister is on record. Hum Delhi ke malik hain. So now fulfill that, and then also let me very at the offset clear it. 50% vaccine has still been given free by the government of India. 25% is for the private entities like these hospitals whom they have given the vaccine, and 25% rest has to be purchased by the state governments. And then state health is a state subject. But that point aside, let's talk about what happened today, and let me clarify it today. See, there is a scam which has happened, and how the scam, they can say 4 hours, 10 hours, 2 days, 4 days, how the scam has happened. Vaccine was bought at 400 rupees, was sold at 1,000 rupees. Can government of India, government of any state sell anything without any tender? Can they do it? And then price was set by the hospitals themselves. They just sell it for 16 and something or 610 rupees. Who was deciding on the margin of the hospitals? 550 rupees per vaccine. Now they've been caught at step one. So they say, oh, we have withdrawn it. We have nothing to do with it. So you've been caught. Let there be proper investigation.
But Adil
Please
is
hand
saying,
over the case
Mr.
to
Singh,
CBI.
Adil is saying, how is this a scam? The money is not going
I'm telling
into
you, I'm telling
Captain
you,
Amrinder's
let-
pocket. It's going to the government only.
No, this
No,
is the big cement.
no, it's not pocket.
All
No,
the-
no, please. That money between, the difference between the 400 rupees and 1,000 rupees coming to government and going from government. But how about the prices which is above that? I mean, had they purchased directly from the manufacturer, they would have bought it for 1,200 rupees. Someone gave them benefit of 200 rupees. So this has initially been caught, but this would have led to a bigger scam. I mean, and then money stolen from the government exchequer, lost to a government exchequer, even for 1 rupee or 10 rupee or 100 rupee or 1,000 rupee or 10,000 rupee or 10 lakh rupee or crore rupee. It's same.
Okay.
It's a loss to government exchequer. One, and secondly, who permitted them? Who gave them this permission to
Can I
sell
come
poor
in?
man vaccine to hospitals? Hospitals can't buy on their own.
Yeah.
In other states also, hospitals are
Okay.
buying on their own.
Yeah. So, okay. So Adil, the story is definitely not done and dusted until we get all the answers. Here is what you need to tell us. Why? Who did this? What was the point of it? And at what price did you sell it to the hospitals?
I have a very humble request, Tanvi. Please give me 120 seconds of uninterrupted time. Number one, I am so glad that the bonhomie of the BJP and the Akali Dal is out. They are partners in crime and the people of Punjab will give them a resounding answer. Number two, let me tell
Answer
you
the
what
question, sir.
This is not fair, RP Singh Saab. You've been interrupting me in debate
Sir,
after
answer
debate.
the question, sir.
I will say what I have
Answer
to
the
say. You
question.
don't interrupt me like this. Number two, I'll tell you what the definition of a scam is. Scam is when the BJP comes out with anti-farmer policies and then takes kickbacks from the Adanis. Scam
Okay,
is
let
when
me-
Punjab transport policy is tweaked and the Badal's private transport corporation makes $1 million overnight. That is a scam. Coming to the issue at hand.
But
Please
you will not answer
understand
to the vaccine,
the
na?
policy.
So
This
the
is
only
not
thing is
fair.
that
I
you will
think
not answer to the vaccine.
This is not fair, Tanvi.
Okay. Gentlemen, since both of you are going to be questioning him,
But
let's
then
give
you
him
should answer
120
to the
seconds
scam,
and then
na?
you
If
can
they
counter.
interrupt me like this, I can't make my statement, then they can say what.
Okay, we'll give him 120 seconds and then you can counter question him one by one. Yes.
Tanvi, this is a mess of the BJP's making. Differential pricing and discriminatory policy was Narendra Modi's idea. And it is not Congress party saying, it is the Supreme Court of India which has said that the government's vaccination policy is arbitrary and irrational. Please put this question to Mr. RP Singh. He doesn't
What
answer
do you
this
think,
question.
Adil,
Number
they will
one.
say for this
Number
policy?
number two, which is the nub of the matter. Please understand the reality of New India today is that there is an acute shortage of vaccines across the country, not Punjab, but across the country. As far as this policy is concerned, this policy has been revoked. The patients will be returned their money. The vaccines will be returned to the state government. So why is the BJP in any case has no identity in Punjab? Why is the Akali Dal trying to burnish its credentials in the middle of a pandemic? They are not crossing 10 seats next year. The Akali Dal should focus on joining hands with the Congress and ensuring that vaccination is made a reality. They should help create education and awareness. This is not the time to do petty politics.
Okay.
It is the government-
Adil, 120
policy.
seconds are
It is
over.
not.
120 seconds are over. I have factored in the interruptions
answer
as
it.
well and given you additional time. But let me say this, you've not answered one question of mine. And that is very unlike you today. To not answer one question of mine
I'll answer it.
specific
Please tell me
to
your
this
question. I'll answer
story.
it.
All
answer
the
it.
other debate about vaccination policy and what a mess it is, we know that. We've discussed that. What do you think Justice Chandrachud is going to say if you take this idea to him? Tell me, Adil.
I'll answer. As far as the Punjab issue is concerned, the order is a closed chapter.
But how is
We
it a closed
understand.
chapter? You attempted to mint money off vaccines.
No. Number one.
No.
Number one.
It's not a
Number
closed
one.
chapter until we get answers.
How is it making money? How is it making money? The money goes to the public exchequer. The money is not coming into my bank
Yes.
account. The money goes to the
You,
exchequer.
because
and
you
once the
said
private-
state will give you vaccines for free, but instead of
Please
giving
understand.
vaccines
Let me-
yourself,
let
you
me
sold
respond.
it to
I
the
tell you.
private hospitals.
Please-
So
please
you
understand.
pretended that you are going to give vaccines for free
I've
and
understood.
spend
I've
money on
understood.
people, but you were actually making money out of it.
Tanvi, since you put me in the witness box, let me answer your question. Private hospitals across Punjab were facing an acute shortage. Serum and Bharat Biotech was not supplying them vaccines. Under these circumstances, they appealed and requested the state government to give them some
No.
quota of vaccines.
Big
This
lie.
is the reality. The problem
Tanvi,
starts
Tanvi,
with
will you
shortage
allow
of
me to
supply.
rebut this?
Yes.
The Akali Dal and the BJP are misleading the people of this country.
Okay,
The
okay.
money will be refunded to the patients. What is this hue and cry?
Okay, okay. Mr.
It is
Sirsa,
Adani
here is
and
the,
BJP which is
Mr.
one.
Sirsa, it's
They
a
are
very,
with Adanis and Ambanis.
okay, okay.
They are anti-farmer
Oh,
and they
oh,
want to now
no
deflect
rhetorics,
public
Adil.
attention.
We'll stick to the point. Mr. Sirsa, it's a very tempting offer being made by the Congress party to you here. Let's join hands. Let's buy vaccines for 400, sell it for 1,000 rupees. Tell people we are giving you vaccines for free, but don't make those vaccines available at state centers. Let hospitals also make money out of those vaccines by selling them at 1,500 and join hands together and win elections next year.
Tanvi, I have a better proposal for Adil and for Captain Brinder Singh if they wish to join us. Rather than joining them, I think they should join us for your information and for the information of Adil, because he's not well aware of the facts of Punjab. It is the Shiromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee who's buying the vaccine for 1,060 rupees from Bharat Biotech and giving it free to the people of Punjab. Rather, it was the responsibility of the Punjab government, which Punjab government has failed to do, and we are forced to do that. It is Shiromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee doing this, first of all. Secondly, I must tell Adil another thing. He said कि इसमें fraud किया है. हमने तो order cancel कर दिया. What's the wrong? अगर एक बार चोरी हुई तो चोरी चोरी है. चोर अगर किसी के घर में आके पैसे वापस कर देता है तो उसको चोरी कैंसिल माना नहीं जाता कि अब कैंसिल कर दीजिए, चोरी को कांटा मार दीजिए. आप मुझे बताएं, अंडर व्हाट सर्कमस्टांसेस you sold this vaccine for 1,060 rupees. For the sake of argument, let's presume that you got extra vaccines with you. Then also, the order should be that we are handing over this vaccine for 400 rupees to the private hospitals with the condition that they will charge 50 rupees or 100 rupees for getting this jab. But now you are giving him for 1,060 rupees and they are selling it for 1,600 rupees officially and charging another 1,000 rupees from the cash. How can you justify to people of Punjab? And then again, you are sitting here on the national channel and saying कि अकाली दल को हमारे साथ आ जाना चाहिए. You need to understand. There should be some sensitivity. After all, we are sitting on a national channel and we can't fool people like this. Tell me what makes Punjab government say कि हम ये 1,000 में बेचेंगे? Why?
Okay,
We are
fair
asking
question.
from government of India
Yes.
that vaccine should be free.
Yes.
Then you should free ना? आप पहले free कीजिए. We are with you.
Yes, yes. I want Adil to answer this.
Government of
Why-
India to get free vaccine.
Why didn't you give it for free only to the private hospitals, since you care about people? Yeah.
30 seconds, Mr. Sirsa, on a personal level, I have respect for him, but he is misleading your viewers.
Okay.
The policy to allow sale or administration of vaccines by private hospitals is that of the government of India. Let me again repeat it for Mr. Sirsa. The policy to administer vaccines by private hospitals at differential pricing is the policy of your ally Narendra Modi. Number one. Number two, please understand there is no
That's
loss.
great.
There is no gain to the state. There is no gain to any individual. The money is being returned. The money is being returned to the patients. The vaccines are being returned. What all opposition parties need to do is they need to urge Narendra Modi and these manufacturers to ensure adequate supply.
No, but
The
could you
problem
not have
is
given these
supply
vaccines?
of
Definitely we will.
But
Definitely
could you
we
not
will.
have
And
given
then you
these
will sell it.
vaccines? 1 minute, please.
And then you will
Just
sell it.
1 minute.
And
Could you
we
not
will
have
not
given these
our
vaccines free of cost to the private hospitals? If the intent was, Adil, to say we need to increase our reach,
But
we need to increase the visibility. Yeah.
And you're an enlightened journalist. Is it the Congress Party's policy to administer vaccines by private hospitals?
You
at
gave
differential
vaccines
prices?
from your
It is not
quota.
our policy.
You gave vaccines from your quota. Your quota state vaccines
No,
are
but then
supposed
where
to
is
be
this
given to
policy
free
that you
as
sell
per
it for
Congress
1,000
government's
rupees?
policy.
Tanvi, it has become a 3
No, but
versus
then
1.
where is the policy? Can I humbly request,
Mr. Sirsa and
Adil ji, can you simply answer my question?
misusing the
Where
view.
is that policy which says that you will sell this for 600 profit? Where is that policy which says that you will sell it? नहीं, पर आदिल जी, please will you tell us? No, आदिल जी, please will you let us know कि कौन सी पॉलिसी जिसमें कहा गया कि आप सरकार की 400 की वैक्सीन 1060 में बेचेंगे, वो पॉलिसी पढ़ा तो मैं पढ़ना चाहता हूँ वो पॉलिसी. I want to read that policy.
ਦੀ ਪਾਲਿਸੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਕਿ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਵੇਟ ਹਸਪਤਾਲ ਵੈਕਸੀਨ ਵੇਚਣਗੇ. ਇਹ ਨਰਿੰਦਰ ਮੋਦੀ ਜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਐਲਾਏ ਦੀ ਪਾਲਿਸੀ ਹੈ.
तो आप भी बेचेंगे, तो आपकी पॉलिसी में लिखा हुआ है कि आप बेचेगी, तो कांग्रेस ने विड्रॉ क्यों की फिर ये? वाई कांग्रेस विड्रॉ किस? अगर ये पॉलिसी थी तो कांग्रेस ने विड्रॉ क्यों की?
Okay, gentlemen.
पॉलिसी में लिखा हुआ है ना कि आप 600 रुपए का
Okay,
प्रॉफिट
gentlemen, allow me to come in. Allow me to come in. Allow me to come in. One thing is very clear. One thing is very clear. One thing is very clear. The central government policy dictates 50% quota to the central government, 25% quota to the state governments, and the rest 25% to the private hospitals. Now, if the Punjab government thought that the private hospitals are unable to get vaccines under their 25% quota, and we should give them the vaccines to increase our reach, it need not have been at a higher price. These were the state government quota vaccines which you promised you would give for free to people, but instead you minted money off it by giving it to private hospitals at a higher price. Now, you may have withdrawn the order, promised to give refund also, but it's the intent that must be explained by the Chief Minister of Punjab. Completely out of time. Big thank you to all of the panelists who've joined us on this, but Captain Amrinder Singh must take some time out with the internal politics that are going on within the Congress party. I know Punjab heads into election next year. There is a lot to be sorted out. Get your team ready. Protect your own position and all of that. But this is more important. Right now, this is important. We do need answers from the Chief Minister and his government as to how did they even come up with this plan and why. Thank you for joining us.